So here, this is my dynamic website. In my dynamic website, how to using for alt tag, anchor text, and the header tag. First of all, you can go to admin panel. I'm selecting for post option. What are the title I'm using in your post? That is called your H1 tag. What are the title I'm using? That is called your H1 tag. This is for H1 tag. So select my video here. In this, select my particular video. Just in this. So I'm select this title. As is by your admin panel. Select it. Correction. Copy. Select your language. English. Category. News. Upload your content here. Yes, as you can using for same title. After your description, using for different one. Again, using for minimum, take keywords are in your this one. And so first I'm using for H1 tag for your dynamic website. Next I'm using for alt tag. Nothing but each image we can using for specific alt tag. That will be here. Choose image. Before uploading images, the image name has to your same title name. So this time focus by here. In this, just select it as it is in my name. Post it. Done. So what are the title? Same using for my image name. I'm uploading for image. Next one. Select your total content. Any content will post on your website. We're using for Notepad. Select it. Then after that, select your video URL. So first one writing for H1 tag. Next one I'm using for image with the alt tag. After when you click for submit, that link will be created for using for anchor text. The link will be created for using anchor text. The anchor text will be called your title. Your title will be H1 tag, and your link will be also your one particular name is called. This link belongs to for Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry design new collection 2018. Copy this one. Click for submit. I'll show three options. Heading tag, H1, and using for image alt tag. That will be that hyperlink using for anchor text. Scroll down. Refresh it. Refresh for this one. It's done, added. Now click for Control U. See this one. You can click this URL. Here, how many names will be showing for? 9. I can show one by one. What is that? Image alt tag. This is called link. But the title will be Ishan 1 gram jewelry on this one. And click here. What the heading will be? Here. How to know H1 heading? Search for H1. Not open the page. Open the page. How to recognize this H1 or not? How to just go for Control U, Control F. Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry design new collection for 2019 means this is a H1 tag. When coming to any web page, So we can using for alt tag. What the alt tag? Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry new collection 2019. So this hyperlink will give the images. Click image. See the image. Which image you can promoting for that particular name. So the image will opens for here. So people anywhere searching for Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry, the image appear for where? Search results. That is called when uploading image on dynamic website. What are the title using for? Same title using for as your alt tag name. That is called people automatically recover your keyword on your web pages. So this link belongs to for which one? Particular name. Or the name is called this one. Search your. Is it clear? So what is the title here? There is a URL. There is a title. So see this one. Copy. Paste it. So they are showing for everyone is a particular name is called your anchor text. This link belongs to for which one? Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry new collection 2019. Is it clear? So any writing on text content, you can check for three options: alt tag, anchor text, and the header tag. That is called heading will be your title. When upload image will be same using for as is title. Implement by the alt tag, and each link will give the specific name is called anchor text. They will check by here. So I'm using for what's the title here? Ishan. Okay, yeah. The year belongs to for Ishan 1 gram gold jewelry new collection 2019. So any URL specification will give by anchor text. Image name will be specification alt tag. Any heading of the web page they mentioned by the H1 tag. These three important from your dynamic website. We mention for alt tag, anchor text, and header tag. So that is will be in uploading time. Uploading title will be H1 tag. Upload image time, same title will mentioned by the alt tag. After submit, the link will be generated by the anchor text. Same like your title tag. So this will be implemented by your dynamic website using for uploading the any news. Only when uploading images, alt will be showing to the users. When upload any title, the showing using will be heading tag. After submitting your content, it will showing your every web link using for particular anchor text. They are very important from the uploading time. We mentioned by the three options: anchor text, alt tag, and header tag. How to find out? H1 tag find out by header tag. Alt is equal find out by the image alt tag. To find out the anchor text, copy the URL and search by the control U page source code. The URL was mentioned by your description part with your title. That is called anchor text.